Hey everyone! Have you ever noticed your car shifting gears too quickly or too slowly, making your ride feel rough or sluggish? Maybe you're cruising and suddenly the check engine light pops up. You scan the system and get P0895 transmission shift timing issue. This means your transmission isn't shifting at the correct time, which can lead to poor acceleration, rough shifting, and even transmission damage. Stay with me as I'll break down the exact sensor locations, causes, and how to fix it. Let's get started. DTC P0895 indicates that the Transmission Control Module, TCM, has detected a problem with the shift timing. The transmission might be shifting too soon, too late, or not at all, affecting performance and fuel economy. Delayed or harsh gear shifting, transmission stuck in one gear, also known as limp mode, poor acceleration or loss of power, check engine light on, and transmission overheating. Transmission shift solenoids are located inside the valve body, inside the transmission pan. These control the flow of transmission fluid to engage gears. The transmission control module is usually mounted near the transmission housing. In some vehicles it's in the engine bay fuse box or under the dashboard. Input sensor tracks engine speed at the front, output sensor measures output speed at the rear. The transmission fluid temperature sensor is mounted inside the transmission pan, near the shift solenoids. Always check your vehicle's manual for exact sensor locations. P0895 can be caused by low or dirty transmission fluid, faulty shift solenoids affecting gear engagement, or a malfunctioning TCM. Step 1. Check and replace transmission fluid. If it's low or dirty, top it up or flush the system. Step 2. Test the shift solenoids. A bad solenoid can delay or prevent shifting. Step 3. Inspect input and output speed sensors. A faulty sensor can send incorrect data. Step 4. Scan and reset the TCM. A software update or reset might fix the issue. Step 5. Check for transmission overheating. If fluid temperature is too high, inspect the cooling system. If you ignore P0895, your transmission might start slipping, overheating, or even failing completely. Fixing this early can save you from expensive repairs. This is IG Garage, helping you fix your car like a pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.